News 18.
CNN News.
CNN News. எப்படி இருக்கு கவர்மெண்டோட இனிஷியேட்டிவ்? அதை நீங்கள் இன்சிஸ்ட் பண்ணுறீங்களா? இப்போ do you say that
So right now what we are doing is we are just showing what the people are suffering and people suffering. That's the next stage, right?
என்னடா எப்படி சரி பையனுக்கு பார்த்துடு சரி வயசு சொல்லுடா உன் பேரு உன் பேரு 8 ஏக்கா உங்க
We are at Thonithurai in Tirunelveli district. Here, one of the special medical camps is going on. This has been held in these flood affected areas. In Tirunelveli district, today alone, there are 190 such health camps. So these mobile camps, the special medical camps, they go to areas which have been affected by the floods. There are 2 doctors, a lab technician and a staff nurse along with them. So the people come out, they are seeing the doctor here, and then they will be provided medicines also here. In some cases they even collect blood samples also here. Random blood sugar and all can be checked here itself. In other cases they'll have to collect the samples and then take to the nearest PHC to get it tested. So medicines are also being provided, be it the diabetes ones, blood pressure. The majority of the medicines are being provided here. Sanitary napkins for young women are also being provided from this mobile medical camp. The team here has from morning itself has gone to about 3 places. There are 2 doctors here. There are 2 more post lunch. They will be going to other places also for this medical camp. Ma'am, how many people have come here so far, and what are you all seeing mostly when it comes to
so far from morning we have seen around like more than 100 patients we have seen, and for so far now many people have come with, like, since they are standing for long times in that water and all, they have a lot of like skin issues in the legs and all, feet, mainly in their feet, and then upper respiratory tract infections and fever, like on and off, and yeah, this is what we are seeing mainly.
And for this condition, like for the skin itching and all, you give them ointments and
Yeah, we give
medicines
here
here
medicines and ointments, and if it is not, I mean, if there's not getting cured and all, we ask them further to do further investigations and further come to the hospitals in the nearby government PHCs. Yes.
So right now, I mean, those waterborne diseases and all that, it takes more time, or right now we are not seeing those.
Yeah, it may take time. Some cases can come acute also, like how like skin diseases and all, like they have arise more, or it will take time. Some chronic conditions are also there.
So now it's mostly young children, or it's elderly that you're seeing more.
We see mixed. We see all. Yes.
Everyone is by and large
Yes,
affected
yes,
by
yes.
this.
We can't say that specific or this age group only. We can't say like.
So each team, you all go to how many camps, or you all conduct how many such camps mostly?
Like it depends on like how we allowed them, but actually I mean in our district actually per day like more than like 150 camps, more than that, nearly 200 they conduct. Yeah, the many teams are there.
Thank you so much. So we heard from the doctor what the situation is. Mostly it is fever, the skin irritation and problem because of standing in water for long time. So that is what they are seeing mainly in these areas. Different camps are being set up like this in Tirunelveli district. Today alone there are 190 camps is what we are understanding, because health is a major concern. Anytime a flood happens, once the water recedes, that will be a major issue because people will be affected. There are various kinds of waterborne diseases, skin issues, leptospirosis, dengue. All these are issues that concern the people at this point. So health is a major concern at this point, and that is why many such medical camps are being conducted. And in Tirunelveli collector had earlier told us it's not just the health of the people, but they are doing 60 health camps by the animal husbandry department, also looking at the health of the cattle. So this is a situation that we are seeing in many of these health camps in Tirunelveli. In many places they are going into the interiors with these mobile vehicles and medicines and providing medicines for these people.
தலைவலி இருக்கு, முட்டு வலி இருக்கு, சளி இருக்கா? சளி இல்லை. சரியா? சுகர் இருக்காது, ப்ரெஷர் தான் இருக்கு. சத்து மாத்திரை நாங்கள் வயிற்று வலிக்குள்ள பண்ணாது, சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி போடணும். எத்தனை வயசு? எத்தனை நாளா இருக்கு? ஒரு 2 நாளா இருக்கு. மாலை
நிமிஷம் டாக்டரை
நான் அவ்வளோ ஷர்ட் போட்டுருக்காங்க